So earlier this week I showed you my spinach growth, but look, and my little green things, that is my beetroot. There's a few of them growing even in there. How exciting. Talofa. I'm just gonna water my garden so you can join me while I chat and do this and hope you don't fall. Oops. Okay. Almost. Oops. Okay. It's working now. Sorry. Talofa. I'm just gonna water my garden. I woke up late because I actually really needed it. I just felt tired. And yeah. So last night it was hard to sleep. Couldn't even put my CPAP machine on. It was not very nice. And so I had a hard sleep, didn't wake up. Then I kind of feel like maybe I was making excuses because this morning I was supposed to go for a beach swim. I haven't been for about 4 weeks, more than 4 weeks, and so I'm not sure if I was tired or if I was just making excuses because it's been cold, I've been sick. But yeah, do you just feel like this weather is making you sad? So yeah, I'm watering my garden, trying to make sure that I am doing things that bring me joy. What is that pulling? It's kind of okay. So yeah, hope you have a great day. Yeah, enjoy your day.